Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. We are discussing about the SEBI Grade A research stream jobs here. What is the requirement for applying for research stream? I am sure if you are postgraduate in economics, commerce, statistics, you would love to become a research officer in SEBI. We will discuss about the exam pattern and syllabus, and we will compare this with the general stream. Why this comparison? Let me show you what are the books you can use preparation strategy to clear this exam. You go to the SEBI's website, you will find about research and reports done by SEBI, various working papers, surveys, studies, which helps in the functioning of the regulator. Regulating capital market, which is very dynamic and which is evolving very fast, is a very challenging task, and that requires consistent support of research, data, studies, market trends. And that challenge makes this job very interesting. As interesting, this offer that you pay 75% now and remaining one after you clear the phase 1 exam, pay 75 is the coupon code. This offer is applicable on all iExamB course right now. Avail before it goes up. Understand, you can apply for both general and research stream. If you have a master's degree or postgraduate degree or diploma, many a time people ask, I have done from correspondence, I have done from evening classes, am I eligible? All postgraduate degrees or PGDM diploma which are AICTE approved are eligible. If you have done it in stats, economics, commerce, business administration, so MBA finance people are also eligible for this SEBI research stream and econometrics. For research, these are the disciplines which I stated, and for general stream, any master's degree in any discipline, whether you are history, political science or administration, but bachelor's degree in law, engineering or CA, CFA, CS, cost accountant. And repeating here, you can apply maximum for 2 streams. If you are postgraduate in this discipline, in addition to, I am recommending you again, please apply for journal, but in addition to that, you can apply for research, because the preparation is going to be helpful for both the stream. You are getting your eligibility for additional 5 vacancies in applying for research stream. You will be likely to be posted in research, but you can be posted in other departments also. Those who are more interested in studies, research, analysis, data, they will enjoy this more. And paper 1 is common for both research and general stream. Syllabus of general stream and research has a lot common. I am going to detail you this. You have time to apply till 31st October, but don't wait till the last date. You have to prepare also, and every day is important in your preparation. Now see the exam pattern for research. Paper 1 is common for all, including the research, which is MCQ based, QRE plus, financial sector awareness, GA, that includes financial sector awareness. The question numbers are not mentioned here, but in a separate video I have told the question number based on our experience so far. Please go to the strategy video for preparation of grade A. And here in paper 2, you will have multiple choice questions on subject like economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce. Other than this, you have to appear in this paper, but as you will be preparing for journal also, I guess you will be preparing. So I will tell you what are the common things in the syllabus. Before that, understand phase 2 also. In phase 2 again, your English descriptive is common for journal side, journal stream, and also for research stream. In general stream, the questions are from these 6 topics, and in research stream, your questions in phase 2 exam also are from the same topic: economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce, which is your 2/3 of the exam, paper 2, and English descriptive is 1/3 of the exam. Same pattern as it is in the general stream. Interesting thing will be this to understand. Most critical part of this video, see how research stream is similar or different than your general stream. Economics. So economics, these topics: demand, supply, market structure, national income, determination of output, employment, investment function, multiplier, accelerated demand and supply of money, ISLM curve, inflation, Phillips curve, business cycle, inflation, monetary policy, fiscal policy, NBFCs are also mentioned in the general side. Therefore, same syllabus for economics. For public economics, mostly the syllabus is same: public goods, tax, non-tax revenue, direct, indirect taxes, progressive, non-progressive taxation, incidence and effect of taxation, public expenditure, public debt, public budget, and budget multiplier. So these macroeconomic concepts anyhow you have to understand in economics, because there are so many things common here. If you are studying this, you will have to study a lot of in this. So mostly this is also there in your general stream. This portion, point third, statistics and econometrics. So here I see the difference. This statistics like measures of central tendency and dispersions, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. you must have read. Same correlation, regression, sampling technique, sampling distribution. So if regression is not written, okay, regression is here, regression analysis. So sometimes people say regression is not written, so I will not study. But if you are studying this much statistics, no, these are understood to have gone through before the preparation, and moreover you are postgraduate in these topics. So hypothesis testing, hypothesis construction, statistical inferences, all this you have to know. This will be the additional thing which is not there in the SEBI general grade preparation. International economics like balance of payment, foreign market, foreign exchange market, role of international financial institutions, BIS is Bank for International Settlement, IMF, World Bank, all these are again covered in the general stream side also, mostly yes. And last mentioned the syllabus like financial market, asymmetric information, market model, market efficiency, primary market, secondary market, commodity market, mutual fund, stock exchanges, depositories, clearing corporations, rating agencies, corporate debt market, forwards, future options, derivatives, and use in hedging, speculation and arbitrage. All this you have to study for your general preparation also. If I summarize general stream and research stream in phase 1, paper 1 is exactly same. Paper 2, it is different because here you have economics and finance mostly common, but statistics is additional. That is the additional preparation you have to do. And for phase 2 exam, again paper 1 English descriptive is common. Statistics is additional because syllabus for paper 2 here and paper 2 here is same, in which you are adding statistics. Economics and finance is mostly common. The difficulty level I assume will be here higher because this is a specialized post, and moreover all these people applying for this post here are postgraduate in these subjects. So this higher level preparation will help you in clearing general side exam also. These are the list of books or any graduation book you have studied, you can go through. Basically the point is you have to study these topics of macroeconomics, public economics, statistics and econometrics, international economics and financial market, Bharti Pathak or M.I. Khan, any book you take. More important is first you develop your concepts. I'll come to the strategy part, then relate with the event what is happening there. So if I tell about strategy, phase 1, practice, practice and practice. Phase 1, paper 1. This is the way to master your quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English. This portion mostly in general awareness you have to study and then practice, because here speed will not be a challenge for you, but it will be the knowledge. QRE is about your speed and accuracy, which comes by practice. For general awareness, follow news regularly. We have BPedia that covers all news at one place. Also, we give the description of the terms which you don't understand, which are new for non-finance, non-commerce graduates. Please download this BPedia, which is freely available on the website iexambi.com. But even if good quality content is coming to you for free, you have to study. Your time is very precious. You shall know where to invest it. Paper 2. The strategy is study with the help of MCQs, multiple choice questions, because that is your exam. If you are reading a book cover to cover, maybe you spend a month reading the book, and by the time you reach to the last point, you have forgotten the first chapter in the book. And the requirement is a master's degree in these topics, these subjects. So it means you understand the concept. If I ask you what is the difference between median and mode, I hope you remember, and how standard deviation is superior comparison to the range when we measure the dispersion. So these are very basic concepts. You need to revise them well, and you have to be ready for multiple choice question, because nobody is asking you what is the definition of null hypothesis or alternate hypothesis. But if I give you 5 hypotheses, can you identify the difference? You can make quick notes. Quick notes mean jotting down the facts and figures. Not that you have to write the definition of standard deviation, or you have to write the definition of regression and correlation. But you need to understand Say for example, if I say the value of correlation ranges from, so you shall know it is from -1 to +1. If you understand it well, you can never forget it. And correlate your studies with the current affairs topic. This is very, very important, especially for finance and economics related things, because lot of things are happening in the market. Lot of fundamental concepts are related here. That's why only reading book is not going to help you. Attempt mock test regularly, and again, when it comes to mock test, you have to see what kind of mock test you are doing. The quality of the questions matter. That will hit you. After reading also you are not able to get the right answer, or you are getting confused, then the answer explanation helps you in your learning, your improvement. Exam like practice questions are to be practiced. For phase 2 study, the strategy shall be descriptive English, which is your 1/3 of the exam. 1/3 is too high a weight. Don't neglect this preparation. Many students do this mistake, leave it to the last week of the preparation. And remember, this is about English writing. I have seen people asking what will be the topic of essays that can be asked in the exam. Okay, you may guess it. You may study about the data or the codes you are going to write there, but then you do writing mistakes, which most of us non-native speakers, I am also a non-native English speaker or English writer, बहुत गलतियां करते हैं हम लोग इंग्लिश लिखने में. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, कॉमा मिस्टेक, फुल स्टॉप्स, पंक्चुएशन एरर्स, ग्रामर, एंड हमको वो लिखते हुए पता नहीं लगता. एट द टाइम ऑफ राइटिंग वी रियली डोंट रियलाइज इट. यू आस्क इट चेक्ड बाय सम एक्सपर्ट, do such mock test where your answers are checked, then you realize what kind of mistakes you are doing and how you are going to improve it. It is 1/3. Please be very serious about this preparation. And paper 2, same as we did for paper 2 in phase 1 exam. Whatever notes you have made there, again revise that. Go to higher level difficulty here. Which are the topics you missed earlier or where you weak, now you cover here. And mock test, higher level, the solutions, the explanations you read in that will give you more learning. And the mistakes you make during these mock tests, when we study we feel I have learned everything, but when the exam comes I realize, oh, it is very confusing. And here you are not doing this mock test for testing your speed, you will have enough time, but here for getting the accuracy, for improving your learning. Many of you were telling that we are not getting any help for preparation. So now we have this SEBI Grade A Research Stream Learning course at iExamB, and we have this excellent offer also for you. For any help, you can contact to us at 9205524028 by WhatsApp, SMS or call. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Good luck for your preparation.